A very good morning to all my lovely students. How are you all today? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, are you ready to take your class? So, let's begin. Today, we will learn about the phonic sounds of A and B. But before that, let's sing A to Z together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's sing it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now, first let's see the phonic sound of A. This is A. This is capital A and this is small a. Capital A, small a. And the sound of A is A. A. Let's look at some of the examples. A, apple. A, ant. A, X. A, arrow. A, ankle. A, alligator. A, apricot. A, abacus. A, astronaut. A, anchor. So the sound of letter A is A. This is B. B. This is capital B and this is small b. Capital B, small b. And the sound of B is B. B. Now let's look at some of the examples. B, bag. B, boat. B, bus. B, baby. B, banana. B, beetle. B, bread. B, ball. B, book. B, basket. So the sound of letter B is B. B. Now we are done with the sounds of A and B. The sound of A is A and the sound of B is B. I hope this is clear to you. Now I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, you all take care. Bye-bye.